Tonight, deputies stop an 18-year-old suspected of drunk driving, and within minutes, it turns into a full-blown meltdown. She screams about her rights, fights the cuffs, threatens to run, and 5 deputies end up using a restraint device called the wrap. But the biggest twist? What they find inside her car.
It's just past 7 p.m. in Crystal Lake, Illinois, where deputies are about to meet a teenager suspected of drunk driving.
On the window. I'm sorry, hello?
Hi, miss. I'm Officer Coster with Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road or...
Deputies caught up with the suspect in this parking lot after multiple callers reported the car swerving and tailing other cars.
We need you to step out, okay? You're gonna come and talk with us over here, okay? All right, my dear, here. Put your right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
Deputies identify the suspect as then 18-year-old Ellie Masukevich and decide to search her car. Let's see how that goes.
So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand by with these officers and I'm gonna search your vehicle.
You don't have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You don't have warrant to do that.
Because I observed
I have
alcohol.
a right to not let you search my car.
Okay, so...
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Unfortunately...
No, I have a right to not let you search my car.
We're not doing this.
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Ellie, don't.
You know my rights, and you know I have a right to not let you search my car.
Okay, listen, I don't...
weed in the center console. There's a pipe I see.
Yeah, and listen, they don't have a right to search my car.
Listen to me.
They don't.
Chill out, okay?
I know
because I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have a right to search my car.
You need to relax.
It's an exception to the law. It's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you had the right to search my car. And so you don't have a right to search my car.
There's also plain view.
You don't have a right to search my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay, so
no,
Ellie,
you don't.
Ellie, do not touch me like that.
I'm telling you.
I'm going to tell you one more time, dear.
I'm telling you for a fact you don't have a right to search my car.
So listen to me. This is going to go one of 2 ways, okay? I would rather not put you in handcuffs so we can chill out.
Spoiler alert, Ellie does not, in fact, chill out.
You can't search my car without a warrant.
Ellie, it's all on Bodycam.
You can't search my car without a warrant. No, you can't.
Turn around. Turn around.
Do not handcuff me.
We're not going to do this.
Chill. Turn around. Stop.
Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the cop car. Please don't handcuff me. I'll go with them to the car. I'll go with them to the car right now. Please don't handcuff me.
We already spoke about this. We gave you the option.
Don't handcuff me. I'll go to the car with them right now, please. I'll go to the car with them right now. Please don't handcuff me. I'm trying to.
We're not going to do this.
Ellie, stop. You got her?
I can't be handcuffed. Please, I'm trying to.
Ellie,
I can't be handcuffed.
stop.
I can't be handcuffed.
Stop it now.
One officer informs Ellie that she's being placed under arrest when this scene really takes a turn.
I'll go to the car. I can't be handcuffed.
Ellie, okay, right now you're being placed under arrest, okay? For, well, we're gonna figure it out. It's at least, we'll go illegal consumption of alcohol by a minor right now, okay? Do you have the key? Stop. Stop.
Ellie,
Stop.
let's not do that.
Stop it. Stop it.
I can't be in handcuffs.
Go ahead. Just make sure that she...
I can't be in handcuffs.
Stop, Ellie.
Ellie, we're not doing this. Ellie,
I can't
Ellie,
be in
we're not doing this.
handcuffs.
We're not doing this.
Take me out of the...
Come on.
I can't be in handcuffs.
With this situation escalating, deputies work together to get Ellie into a patrol car.
Wait.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs then.
Listen to me.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Stop.
I got her.
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, listen to me.
Stop. Take me out of the handcuffs then.
Ellie,
Take me out of the handcuffs.
Ellie, stop. Take me out of the handcuffs then.
You're just making it worse for yourself. Ellie,
You
come
know
on.
how
You
much...
are, seriously, because what's going to end up happening...
Take me out of them.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out.
Ellie, stop.
Take me out of them.
Stop it.
Take them out.
Ellie, listen to me. Walk, step over here.
Take them out.
Listen to me.
Take them out.
Listen to me. Take a deep breath. Listen to me.
Deputies try to calm the suspected drunk driver down, but this tuned-up teen has other ideas.
Chill. You have to chill out.
Please take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
Please.
Right now, I can't. You know why?
I'll sit here if you take off the handcuffs.
Okay.
If not, I'll run out.
Surprisingly, that offer doesn't go over well with deputies, and it isn't long until Ellie gives them another ultimatum.
How about we try to do some breathing, okay?
He can buckle me up if you take off the handcuffs, please.
Sweetheart,
he can't buckle
sweetheart,
me
I
if not.
cannot.
He can't buckle me if not.
So listen, this is the deal. If you keep fighting like this, my sergeant's on his way here, and he has this device called the wrap, okay? And it completely restrains you. Listen to me. You have to listen to me. If you can't calm yourself down the way we are now, I am going to have to put you in that, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that because we're calm and we're talking right now, okay? So we have to stop, okay? You have to stop. Take some deep breaths. Let's do some grounding. Can we do some grounding? Can we do some grounding together, Ellie?
Again, deputies try to calm down the suspect, and, well, let's just see how she reacts.
I can't wear them.
Ellie.
It feels like I'm going to Utah.
Ellie, stop.
Ellie, if you
Stop.
do that one more time, I'm going to put you in the wrap.
Stop it.
Okay?
Then please take the handcuffs off me.
Then you're going to get put in the wrap. Those are your options. If
Please?
you bang your head one more time, I'm going to put you in the wrap.
Please take the
No,
handcuffs
it's not
off.
going to happen.
After deputies give Ellie multiple warnings, I'll give you one guess what happens next.
Just because you're with the law does not mean you can touch me without consent.
You're just making it
You
worse for yourself.
can't
Ellie,
touch me
Step out of the
without consent. Ow! Ow!
Let him set it off
You
first,
can't
and then we'll bring her out.
touch
'cause
me
he's gonna grab the wrap.
without
My assumption.
consent.
Yeah, that's exactly what he's doing. So we'll set it up, and then we can just lift her.
Deputies bring in the wrap to further restrain our suspect. Take a look.
Stop touching me!
Wrap her feet right now.
You guys are old men! Stop!
hit me.
Careful, watch your head.
Stop touching me!
Watch your leg. All right, I got the head. If you guys.
Stop
Okay.
touching me! It hurts!
Hey, listen.
It hurts!
You have to stop, Ellie.
It hurts!
Stop
It
fighting.
hurts! It hurts!
Stop
Ow!
Let me do verbal.
Stop!
Ellie,
Ow!
you have to stop.
Let me go then!
Ellie,
It hurts!
you gotta take some deep breaths.
Ow!
Ellie,
Ow!
you're only gonna
Ow!
get worse.
Ow! Do you know how bad it hurts? The position I'm in right now?
Ellie, stop.
Ow!
We're
Let
trying
me
to
stand up then!
Stop trying to bite. Stop trying to bite.
It takes 5 deputies to restrain the 18-year-old, and once in the wrap, Ellie keeps it up.
How's that?
Is that off your stomach?
Can you get it anymore?
Try. Here, not too hard.
Ellie appears to spit at deputies, and that's not all.
He's gonna double check your
Ellie,
cuffs, Ellie.
stop digging your fingernails into
If you
my
fight him, he
hands.
can't check your cuffs.
They hurt so
If you
bad!
fight him,
He
What's
should
wrong,
have
avoiding?
checked them
he's
before.
going to double check
He
them
should
just
have
for
checked.
laughs.
He should have checked them before putting them on me.
I don't think. I think she's gonna be hitting her head against the side. I think ambulance transport might be.
Shut the f up! No, I can't go in the ambulance. I will not hit my head. I can't go in an ambulance. If you call my sister right when you get the,
Hey, Ellie.
I can't go in an ambulance. My stomach hurts.
Stop.
Let go of my stomach.
You gotta stop.
Can you please unbuckle the belt of my
No.
stomach? It
No.
hurts.
No.
It hurts.
Ellie.
It hurts.
Stop. Are you
You
hurt?
have to take some deep breaths.
It hurts.
What hurts?
My stomach and my wrist.
Okay.
I've been telling you this. You guys don't listen because you guys are insensitive.
Well, resisting.
Aggravated battery.
What the f? You want to?
Please don't. Please just call my sister. Please. She was supposed to pick me up anyway. I wouldn't have gotten in trouble because I didn't.
We'll go back to the PD and do complaints.
Yep.
Okay.
What?
We're gonna lift her up. Put her in.
What? One.
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Dude, I'm gonna bring you guys to court and do complaints. It hurts.
Stop fighting.
I'm not.
Once
Now that you've seen the full body cam footage, let's slow this down and look at what actually happened, without emotion, without insults, and without jumping to conclusions. This incident did not start as a violent arrest. It started as a traffic stop based on multiple public complaints, swerving, tailgating, and unsafe driving behavior. From the moment deputies made contact, three things were happening at the same time. First, officers were trying to assess impairment, looking for signs like odor of alcohol, confusion, emotional instability, and safety risks. Second, Ellie was experiencing emotional overload. Her reactions weren't calculated. They were panicked, repetitive, and escalating, classic signs of someone who feels trapped and out of control. Third, the legal situation was changing in real time. At the beginning, this was about a suspected DUI, but once Ellie began physically resisting, refusing commands, and interfering with officers, the stop shifted from investigation to custody. That shift matters. When Ellie repeatedly yelled that officers needed a warrant to search her car, she was repeating something many people have heard but misunderstood. In vehicle stops, officers can legally search a car without a warrant if they have probable cause to believe it contains evidence of a crime. They don't need permission. They don't need consent. Arguing that point on the roadside doesn't stop the search, it only escalates the encounter. As Ellie's behavior became more volatile, pulling away, screaming, threatening to run, and eventually banging her head, the officer's responsibility changed again. At that moment, it was no longer just about enforcement. It became about preventing self-harm and maintaining control. That's why you see repeated attempts at verbal de-escalation, breathing exercises, grounding techniques, calm instructions. And when those failed, that's why the rap was used. Not as punishment, not as retaliation, but as a restraint tool to stop further injury and chaos. Then came the search results. A half-empty bottle of vodka, a glass pipe. Those discoveries didn't cause the meltdown, but they confirmed the deputies' original concerns. By the time Ellie arrived at the jail, the emotional fight was over. What remained was the reality of the system: booking, holding, and waiting for a judge. And that's where the panic fully set in. Here's the uncomfortable part, and it applies to a lot of people watching. This situation didn't spiral because Ellie didn't know her rights. It spiraled because she didn't understand the limits of those rights and tried to enforce them emotionally instead of legally. Knowing your rights does not mean yelling them repeatedly, interrupting officers, physically resisting, refusing lawful commands. Rights protect you after the encounter, through lawyers, courts, and due process. They rarely protect you during a roadside meltdown. Another key factor here is age and experience. At 18, Ellie was legally an adult, but emotionally, this was likely her first real confrontation with authority, consequences, and loss of control. You can hear it in her voice, repeating the same phrases, begging to call family, insisting she can't stay here tonight. That's not manipulation, that's panic. But panic doesn't pause the legal process. Every time Ellie resisted, she added, another charge, another justification for restraint, another layer of complexity to her case. What started as a DUI investigation became resisting arrest, multiple counts of aggravated battery on officers, extended custody, long-term legal consequences. Not because officers wanted it to, but because the situation crossed thresholds that couldn't be uncrossed. This case offers some powerful lessons, no matter which side you're on. Lesson number 1. Calm is leverage. The calmer you are, the more options you have. The more emotional you become, the fewer choices remain. Ellie lost leverage every time she escalated. Lesson number 2. Roadside debates don't work. Arguing constitutional law during a traffic stop is not how rights are protected. If officers are wrong, the courtroom, not the curb, is where that gets resolved. Lesson number 3. Resistance multiplies consequences. Resisting doesn't cancel a charge, it stacks new ones on top of it. Even when fear is real, resistance makes outcomes worse, not better. Lesson number 4. Officers are managing risk, not feelings. Once someone appears to be a danger to themselves or others, Officers must act, even if the person disagrees. From that point on, control becomes priority over comfort. Some viewers will sympathize deeply with Ellie. Others will feel frustrated watching her behavior. Both reactions are understandable, but bodycam footage isn't about picking heroes or villains. It's about watching pressure expose behavior, on all sides. This video isn't asking you to hate her, it's asking you to see what happens when fear, misinformation, and authority collide in real time. And that's why cases like this matter. If you found this breakdown useful, take a second to like the video. It helps more people see these cases with context, not just clips. Subscribe if you want neutral, timeline-based bodycam analysis that explains what happened without hype or distortion. And if you have thoughts, keep it respectful. This channel is about understanding situations, not tearing people down. In our next case, a driver insists police have zero authority to detain him, until one small detail flips the entire stop upside down. If you think this one escalated fast, you haven't seen anything yet.